Is started. We have King Rampire break weekly at the start, running by the release tribal with moving up na warriors at his Karapatan, Hagdang Bato in between horses. Then next on line is J Jewel running by the release top mid time to shine that secondless, while Joy is the early trailer by about 1 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have King Rampire by about 3/4 of a length lead. Karapatan is right behind in second. Moving up now to take to this Hagdang Bato. Then next on line is Tribal with J Jewel. Top mid comes next time to shine that, while Joy is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the 3 octavo we have King Rampire, Karapatan. Then here comes Hagdang Bato now starting to put big strides on the outside. J Jewel Tribal with top mid time to shine that, while Joy is still running at the tail of the field, and they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Hagdang Bato. Karapatan shuffle back in second. King Rampire, J Jewel is on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. We have Hagdang Bato followed by Karapatan in second, J Jewel, and finally Hagdang Bato, Karapatan. Then comes J Jewel, King Rampire, top mid.
5-7-8-4-3. Unofficial.